Hey guys, Sheldon here from Murray Hyundai. I'm your Hyundai guy, your brand new Hyundai guy. Right now we have our construction Clearout event going on. We have reduced these 4 units to rock bottom prices. Obviously you can see we are under construction. We need the room. There's nowhere for us to park these vehicles right now. We have our 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe 2.0 Turbo. We have our 16 Volkswagen Golf TSI. We have our Buick Encore. This thing is like brand new. 668 kilometers on it. Brand new. Still under full warranty from the factory. We also have our Hyundai 2017 GLS Elantra. It is beautiful inside and out. Still under that beautiful Hyundai warranty. 5 years, 100,000 kilometers. You come back here to Hyundai, we're also giving away one free $25 Cineplex card for every test drive. You come see me, mention this video, we go on a test drive, you go to the movies on me. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon. Number is going to be attached. Email is going to be attached. Call me or text me anytime.